The 2000 Yukon XL with a 5.3 engine. I'm not sure where that noise is coming from, man. If somebody could help me. He got 200,000 miles. I mean, he runs pretty good besides that little engine noise. I don't know if it's the engine or a water pump. I'm not really sure, man. I need somebody's opinion. I could probably fix it. You know, I'm pretty handy. I'm not a mechanic or anything, but I'm pretty handy with shit. Like I said, if somebody could probably have an idea of what this is, what this problem could be, man, give me a man, leave me a message. Like I said, I don't know where it's coming from. It gets worse at times when it's cold. When it's cold, there's no noise at all. But once it gets warmed up, that noise starts kicking in. Like I said, I really don't know where it's coming from. It sounds like if it's. I thought it was the water pump, but it kind of sounds like inside the engine. I think, I'm not sure, man. I don't know. So it might be inside the engine. There's no knocking on the engine or anything, you know. But it only happens when it's warm. So if somebody could help me out, man, I need to get it fixed. Hit me up. Thanks.